Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio error. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution consists of two steps guys. The first step is to clear the DNS cache. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Press enter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you need to type netskache space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. We just need to do the second step. After that we can restart it guys. For that, close out of here. The second step is to change the DNS addresses. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it guys. In here you just need to right click on the internet you are using it. Right click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you just need to select the use the following DNS addresses and preferred DNS server addresses. You need to type 1111 and alternate DNS server you just need to type 1001. Click on OK for save changes. Now close out of here. Now you just need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart it. After restarting your PC, I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support my channel. Thank you.